अगर इधर करंट होएगा तो प्रॉब्लम होएगा ना, शॉक मारेगा।
DN Kotarkar, leading firefighter, Madhava station. So we have got a call from the namely person, Srizar Furtado, Villa 11, at I think Colva, Benavli. So the tree has fallen. So I think it's in the local language is the
Matti.
Matti is used for the furniture. So we have, I think the bending on the pole. So we have decided to cut it. We have tried. So almost we have cut it so that it is a balance on that wires of the electrical cables. So we call them to help us so that release the pressure of the wire so we can cut the entire tree. So we are with our efforts, we have cleared the tree.